Shalom, family! God bless you all. Thank y'all for tuning in for today's property tour. And today, my friends, we are at 408 Lakeway Drive here in Allen, Texas. Alrighty, in the prestigious gate-guarded community of Wimberley Place, my friends. One of the most highly coveted neighborhoods here in Allen, Texas, my friends. And I am super excited to feature this exquisite Mediterranean estate that just hit the market, my friends. I am so excited because the inside is gonna leave you speechless, and just wait till you see that resort style backyard, guys. I am so excited. Alrighty, so be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, my friends. Join the YouTube familia. We would love to have you guys part of the YouTube family. Alrighty, and if you're looking to build or buy your new home here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, you guys can always visit our website at navarealtygroup.co and schedule a free consultation call, my friends. Or you guys can check us out on Instagram. He's at Nava Realty Group, and send us a DM on there, guys. Alrighty. And as always, my friends, be sure to stay tuned towards the end of the video for the good news. By far, the greatest part of the videos is towards the end. You don't want to miss that. And I'm also going to leave all the details to this beautiful property in the description, guys. That way you guys can check it out, and that's going to be there in the description. But without further ado, guys, let's get right into today's exquisite property, guys. Oh, man, I am fortunate enough. Want to give a huge thank you to the listing agent for inviting us out here and letting us take a tour of their newest listing, guys. And man, oh man, there is a lot to take in. Immediately got that beautiful marble staircase with the LED leading up to that beautiful second deck. And look at that gorgeous, very elegant chandelier. I love all this porcelain flooring all throughout. And then here you have a very just absolutely stunning a study. All right, this is my kind of study right here. This is where business happens. I actually am growing really fond of the cherry wood look. Alrighty, very just, I mean, you could just see all of the custom details in every piece of this house, guys. And I mean, look at this beautiful double entry door. Alrighty. Now, this beautiful property is also backing up to a golf course, guys. So it's in a very prestigious lot, my friends. Alrighty. And look at this. Immediately as you're walking in through the foyer, you have a beautiful open living room, family room with the high ceilings. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is a chef's kiss. And I love this view back here. I mean, absolutely stunning. Look at that beautiful pool back there. Looks and feels like you're in a resort, my friends. And I just can't get over the detail, the fine details in this property. I don't know if it maybe was back in the day, guys, or, you know, it's just the level of detail and craftsmanship in some of these custom builds that were built back in the day, guys. It just, I mean, compared to now, it's just really a lot different. Oh man, I'm just stunned away at every little fine detail. I mean, look at that. Beautiful fireplace. Alrighty, my friends. Now tucked away over here on the left wing of the house, we're gonna have this beautiful, stunning kitchen. Look at that. Alrighty, quartzite countertops with the rounded edges. And look at the fine details on that hood vent right there. Look at that. Beautiful gourmet kitchen. I mean, this is something you definitely see in a telenovela or some type of thing. I mean, this is like, I mean, this, I just feel like I'm in a movie scene right now. This is something that my grandma would watch, you know, and you know, she'd watch her Spanish shows, and you would see this in those, you know, romantic, not so good telenovelas, you know. So, and then here we do have the washer and dryer room tucked away back here. And then under the porte-cochere, you are gonna have an additional area to park your single car tandem, little porte-cochere here. And then you have those automatic iron rod gates, and then you have 2 additional parking spaces back over here, guys. Alrighty, my friends. And look at I mean, this community is so prestigious, my friends. I mean, even though I was on the list, it was so hard to get in because they're very, I mean, these communities are very tough to get into, guys. So if you're looking for security, I mean, this community definitely is very strict on their policies with coming in and out. Alrighty. And also, my friends, just a heads up, guys, in case you're wondering, we do have other properties as well, my friends, in case you are looking for something newer. But hey, I want to keep some variety on the channel, my friends. We have different beautiful communities all across the DFW metropolitan, my friends. So just a heads up. Alrighty, and then here we have a little walk-in pantry, and alongside you're gonna have that formal dining room. And once again, I mean, the level of details, I mean, look at that, guys. And you have kind of like a little coffee bar area here. Alrighty, got that double stack oven there. Alrighty, ooh, got the Wolf appliances, espresso machine. Wow. I mean, this is stuff that I you know what, guys? My grandma, like growing up, you know, in Iran, like, cause I spent a lot of my weekends with my grandma, and she would turn on these Spanish novelas, and you would see these types of Spanish Mediterranean estates in those novelas, and it's crazy to be here right now. I don't know why. It just feels so nostalgic. And I'm actually really loving the style. I don't know, you know? I might just show this to my wife and she's gonna be like, babe, I think we're gravitating towards more of a Mediterranean Spanish, old school style house. I mean, it just blends a little modern, a little bit of that old school. And I just, once again, can't get over all the beautiful details here. Now, this is a secondary family room. I love all these floor to ceiling windows overlooking that resort style pool back there. Alrighty. And I love that blend of that woodwork as well. And then you do have the sliders leading up to this beautiful back patio here with the outdoor kitchen. I mean, this is just spectacular. And then tucked away over here, we are gonna have kind of like a little bar area, and they even have a full wine cellar, which is absolutely stunning. Alrighty. And perfect for hosting, perfect for the get-togethers, my friends. Alrighty. Look at this, beautiful. And then you do have a full cinema. Oh man, this is what I'm talking about. Movie nights, yes. With the wifey and baby girl Shalom, this would be perfect. And I love how they have this kind of little bar area here, perfect for just having some snacks, having the family over. I mean, once again, I just love the details in this property. There's just something nostalgic about it, guys. Rounded edges, as you guys can see there. And then here we do have a full bathroom tucked away, stand-up shower. And honestly, guys, it may be just, I don't know, guys. I'm actually just digging the colors, you know? What do you guys think? Comment down below. I mean, outside of some of the, you know, the blues here, which isn't too bad, but still, I mean, there's really any, like, it just looks so, like, classic. I don't know how to explain it. And I love the fact that the golf course is back here, guys, which is something that you rarely find nowadays. Golf course lots, I mean, I have yet to find anything that's backing up to a golf course, my friends, unless it's a pre-owned property. Most these really prestigious lands, lots are pretty much in these more established communities, guys. Alrighty. And keep in mind, you're in Allen. You're right in the hub of literally everything. Legacy West right down the road, shopping, dining, entertainment, Dallas Tollway. I mean, you have literally everything's in arm's reach, guys. Very, very convenient area. And then here, we are gonna have that 2-car garage, which let's see, hopefully they're not. Okay, so a 2-car garage here, little golf course there, golf cart, okay. And look at the arches, which that has been a really big feature that a lot of clients, especially that are building from scratch, have been requesting, is the arches. They are definitely making its way back already. I can't get over this entry. This is just, I mean, exquisite. It is so just, I mean, yeah, I'm speechless, to be honest. Alrighty, and then here we do have, you know, these 2 double doors leading up to that pool back there, but we're gonna get to that in a bit. This is the primary quarters. So this is the primary suite, bay windows, Alrighty, gorgeous, elegant light fixtures. And as you guys can see, I mean, all the fine details, crown molding. I mean, even the baseboards, look at that, guys. And I love this wood burning fireplace. So elegant. Alrighty, man. And then you do have that surround sound speaker all throughout, my friends. And then here's gonna be that primary bathroom. Ooh, look at this. Beauty. Wow. I'm telling you guys, I don't know, the cherry wood is growing on me. There's something about it. It's just so classic. Alrighty, the his and hers vanity. All right, nice separation. Then for the wives, you got your own little vanity there. And then here we have a beautiful soaking tub with 2 pillars. I mean, this is definitely like kind of like a Roman just type of architecture. And then I love this stand-up shower, seamless glass. Man, I just can't stop smiling because I'm just so impressed with all the detail, guys. I mean, I can't even fathom the amount of extensive work and craftsmanship that took place in this household when it was being built from scratch, guys. I mean, look at all this, like I said, fine details that you see all throughout, guys, already. You know, and I see a lot of builds, guys. I work with a lot of amazing families that, you know, we do their custom builds, their dream homes. And guys, there's so much work that goes into it. It's not even funny, my friends. There's a lot of people that come into place, a lot of hardworking hands that put together these beautiful masterpieces, from architects, engineers, builders, you know, the plumbers, concrete guys. I mean, just about everything. So I'm just really stunned at the level of detail. Alrighty. Loving these marble floors. Look at that. And look at the detail on this iron rod. Look at that. Gorgeous chandelier. Beautiful, my friends. Alrighty. And look at the view up here. Wow. If only you guys were here, man, y'all could just experience this. Well, hopefully this is giving you guys somewhat of an experience. And here we have a second deck game room already. And tucked over here, we are gonna have the other additional bedrooms already. So we got a full bedroom here already. Nice little walk-in closet. And then here we will have a full bathroom. Loving these sliding doors. And once again, I mean, the detail in this bathroom looks stunning. Look at that. Alrighty. Beautiful. And then we got another bedroom tucked away back here. I love the little chandeliers that they did in every bedroom. Looks so cute. This would be so cute for baby Shalom, guys. Which, by the way, y'all, she is eating, man. I'm getting used to that routine, so I do apologize. I may sound a little tired, but guys, she's been waking up all night, which is it's so sweet, guys. You know what? I'm not even, my wife and I, we're just like, you know what? She's our little baby girl. Every time we wake up in the middle of the night because she's crying, you know, we're just like, we see her and we immediately like, oh, she's so beautiful. She's so precious, guys. She's growing so much. So she was born right around 7 pounds and 11 ounces. And now it's been a week now, guys, and she's already 8 pounds, which is crazy. She's been drinking a lot. My wife has been feeding her, you know, and she has been growing a lot, my friends. She is eating like every 2 hours. It's crazy how much she's just eating. And when she doesn't have her milk, she gets cranky. All right, she definitely, she has my expressions, which is so funny. All right. Oh, by the way, this is actually another primary suite, guys. This is a secondary primary suite upstairs, which is perfect for in-laws or maybe the family. I mean, this is definitely geared towards a bigger family or just, I mean, look at this. Full ensuite upstairs, and we're talking over 9,000 square feet, my friends. So this is a very big home, my friends. Alrighty, and then here we do have a full, just luxurious bathroom here. I mean, look at that stunning double vanity, porcelain floors, soaking tub. Once again, you got those beautiful architectural pillars already, and then that nice stand-up shower, rain shower head. Look at that. And let me know, guys, do y'all like these? You know, I want to keep the channel variety, guys. You know, a lot of y'all have been, you know, I've been getting some comments here and there, Armando, you know, some of the custom homes and some of the new builds are starting to look a little repetitive, you know, and hey, you know what? I'm starting to show a little bit more pre-owned properties, because some of these pre-owned guys, even though they're a few years old, I mean, they're not, I mean, they got some great designs. They're absolutely stunning. They feel almost new. So let me know if you guys like the pre-owned properties that I've been showcasing. Alrighty, comment down below. Okay, and then this, I believe, is just the tankless water heater. Alrighty. And wow. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, the backyard is gonna leave you speechless, my friends. Just wait till you see this backyard. It is absolutely phenomenal. Alrighty. Now, typically with a custom build, which I'm assuming that they might have done this from scratch, but guys, this area, I mean, just Dallas-Fort Worth in general has boomed tremendously. I mean, when it comes to building a custom home, guys, that takes about anywhere from 14 to 16 to 18 months or even more, guys. So I can't imagine how long it took to put this beautiful property together, from choosing out the lot, the floor plan, architecture, design, I mean, interior selections. I mean, they did such a fantastic job. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Look at this beautiful resort style pool, perfect for that Texas heat. Love how it's backing up to that golf course. And then they even have a little slide here, which is pretty cool. Look at this. Nice little slide here, perfect for the kiddos. Trampoline. Wow. Looks beautiful. Feels almost new, guys. And just an absolutely stunning property, guys. Love the privacy, love the security in this community. Very established. It kind of reminds me of Hills of Kingswood a little bit, with how strict they are with visitors and people coming in and out. But anyways, my friends, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like I said, if you guys are looking to move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area and you're needing a property, guys, if you're looking to build from scratch, or maybe you're looking for something that's pre-owned, or, you know, you're trying to build your dream estate, let us know. Send us a DM on Instagram, Nava Realty Group, or you guys can always visit our website. But aside from that, guys, let's share with y'all the greatest news you'll ever hear in your life. And that is John 3:16. For God so loved the world, he sent his only begotten son, and all those that believe in him will not perish but have everlasting life. My friends, these homes are gorgeous. They're breathtaking. They're absolutely stunning. But they do not compare to the eternal home that the good Lord has reserved for you, for me, and for all of us, through what he did on that cross at Calvary, where he paid the ultimate price for sinners like us, guys. And if we put our faith and trust in him, he'll redeem us. He'll break the shackles of bondage. He'll give us a new life in Christ, my friends. And that is the greatest news you'll ever hear in your life. So if you're at this point and you're hearing the good news for the first time, guys, listen, I'm telling you, being a father now, guys, I see a glimpse of God's love, you know, for us, right, as his children. I mean, I see my daughter and I look at her and I just love her, and I want to provide for her. I want to take care of her. I want to shield her. But at the same time, I want to bring her up. I want to give her strength. You know, I want to make sure that she's, you know, putting in work. You know, I want to put her in hopefully ballet lessons, violin. And I know that's going to take some time, effort, sacrifice. And she's going to go through struggles. She's going to go through setbacks. She's going to go through a lot of things, but it's going to build up her character. It's going to build her up as a person. And that's the way our good Father in heaven sees us, my friends. So that is here. What I'm here to tell you guys is that our good Father, our Lord, loves you. Alrighty, you are never forgotten. You are never too far gone. He loves you that is watching this video right now. Okay, I'm telling you, if you have kids, you know, and you can relate the love that you have. Even if they ever make you upset, or you're a little like, man, you know, just hey, it's not the greatest of days, and the little ones are making you upset, but it's okay, because you still love them regardless, right? That love never goes away, and that's exactly how God feels about every one of us. So that being said, my friends, that is the greatest news you'll ever hear in your life. You have a Father in heaven that loves you no matter where you are, no matter who you are. Remember whose you are, alrighty? God bless you. Shalom. Peace be with you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what y'all think, and we'll see you guys again. Bye-bye.